Hi.
Hello.
Hello. So, we're here to do a video for you, and this is about the Devil card. If you've been following my series on YouTube about all of the major arcanas, I took a little bit of a break, and now I'm back with no false mystics.
Hello.
Hi. And we're gonna go through an analysis of the Devil card and what it means to us as a whole. Mm-hmm.
Find who our daddy is.
Yes, definitely. So yeah, who is your daddy?
The devil is the daddy. He's got your fixins. Anything you want to get high with, anything you want to like, maybe you like freaky sex stuff. Whatever you want, he's got it. And are you gonna be chained by that? Or are you gonna like be okay with it? Are you trying to get out of the said chains? Or are you the daddy yourself? And
Good question.
who's the daddy?
Yeah, like how do you use like do you use methods of control? You know?
Are you a controller? Do you like seeing people kind of? Do you like enabling people? Is it cool to be like get fucked up with your friends too much and be like, oh man,
Yeah.
homie was really drunk at the bar?
And are you a boss? Are you an employer? Do you hire other people underneath you and do you treat them a certain way? Or how does your boss treat you?
Yeah.
Or,
Are you a captor?
Yeah.
How do you get out of the chains?
Like power, power? Hierarchy. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what cards do we have here? We've got, I always do the Marseille, and I'll take some photos too, just as close-ups.
Yeah, this is the Russian St. Petersburg, and I like it because it shows the more dom side. It gets to the kind of Russian prison when you're actually doing some nasty stuff. And this is the Mother Peace Tarot, which shows more of, Catherine as a slave, and it's like he's a false, like a priest in this little tower.
Yeah, it's almost like a godlike being, or somebody who has been elevated to godlike status, even though they're just human. Maybe. Money.
Money. Gotta get that paper.
You can't build an empire without money.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
It's the devil.
Yeah, and money is the devil. Money is the devil. So the exchange of large sums of money, sometimes in your favor, sometimes not.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bad money or not.
Money to control. Money as a means to take care of others, but also to enslave. Dominate, yeah. So domination.
Domination is the main thing for the devil.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. And there's the other side of the devil too. Especially like large amounts of money have a lot of power to transform things, transform different levels of your life. But you have to be you do have to be conscious of those hierarchies.
You have to be aware of what you're putting out there and being aware of what you're controlling and is it for good or bad.
Yeah. Illusionary tactics, maybe even.
Okay, so can you explain to me what the nipples?
Oh, the eye nipples. So yeah, in both of those cards, there's some eyes over the nipples, and I'm not this could just be the internal sort of the eyes being the window to the soul, and the soul being trapped in the chest. I don't know about your nipples, but my nipples look like eyes. So
yeah, mine too.
Right. Yeah. I guess that's how you know if you should be in the business.
I see it all, girl.
I see it all.
Look, I see it all. That's why I do my business with my shirt off, butt naked.
Yeah, devil style. So, yeah, and I mean transformation. Sure, a lot of people the devil card gets a bad rap sometimes.
Yeah, I don't feel the devil is like you could learn how to control your your vices and control yourself, and you're in domination. You can learn how to like develop yourself and get a control of your vices and everything. The devil.
Yeah, I guess it's just asking you to examine maybe some of those vices and whether or not you have full control over them or they have control over you.
Who's the daddy?
Yeah, who's the daddy? Are you the daddy? Did you want somebody else to be the daddy?
Yeah.
Do you want that? And is that what your soul wants? You know, and if that's what your soul wants, if you want a daddy, I mean, yeah.
This guy is not sure about it at all.
I mean, the making deals with the devil. So also illusion, not allusion.
Yeah.
Illusion. So, does it sound like a good deal? Is it an actual deal?
Yeah.
There's no such thing as a free lunch.
Fine lines.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah, fine lines. And there's lots of, like, actually, all of these illustrations have very fine, detailed lines on them. So, yeah, the devil's in the details.
Yes. Read that fine print.
Yeah, read the fine print.
Make sure.
Yeah, make sure everything is as it seems, because if it is as it seems, it can lead to a massive transformation.
Yeah.
If it's not, free yourself from that bond.
Yes.
Renegotiate.
Yeah.
If you want to stay.
I redesign. I'm trying to find my own sin. Don't shake me, Lucifer.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I think too, you know, this temple too, like the devil can also aid you in like building something. That transformation can mean that you're starting to
you're starting to be the boss.
Yeah, build a new life even. Maybe you know, release yourself from those bonds that might have tempted you previously. That could be part of vice too. So like if you just quit drinking, or you're in rehab, or any sort of form of healing that involves releasing past traumas, the devil card could come up. And sometimes it just wants to be tricky. And sometimes it's asking you to laugh in the face of adversity too.
Yeah. Definitely has to do with finding your control.
Yeah. So how would we sum this up? Like control, transformation,
control, getting control of your vices, and getting control and finding who your daddy is.
Yeah. Are you your daddy? Can you provide for yourself? You know? Yeah.
Are you the trickster? Do you play them games?
Those love games.
Yeah. You might.
Well, yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. Thank you for reading cards for me. Check out No False Mystics on Instagram. I will leave their Instagram link below. You can click on that and book some readings with No False Mystics too. They're amazing. They gave me a great reading.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Same.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.